Hey guys, so this is an overview and a startup of my minipocketRockets.com Blade 49R, like a 2020 model. And I am pleased with this bike. It's a good bike. It's all assembled and it's all maintained, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna last a while if taken care of. So, it came with some oil in the engine. I drained the oil that came with it, and then I put in some standard 10W40 conventional oil, not full synthetic. At least I don't think it's full synthetic. It's kind of hard to tell, but conventional, because I've heard that it's good for braking in engines. And I filled that to the full mark when the engine is completely level. And to get it level, you're gonna have to prop the rear wheel up just a little bit to get the engine level. I lubricated the chain with synthetic chain lubricant, and I greased this transmission box, gearbox. So I greased that chain inside there, and I had to wipe down the brake discs, the front and rear brake discs, because they were actually very dirty. So some brake cleaner took care of that. I have almost one tank in it, and it's not very fast. It goes about 15-20 miles an hour. I would say about 20 miles an hour on level ground, and then you might go a little bit faster than that if you go down a hill. So it's not a speed demon or anything, but it should be very reliable. You don't have to mix gas and oil and stuff. And I have about, I think I said one tank in it. It's almost gone. And so if I might put one more tank in it, and this gas cap can be a little there we go. It can be a little tricky to get on sometimes. I have about one tank in it. I think I'll put one more tank of gasoline through it, and then I'll do an oil change for break-in. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this bike. It's pretty much $250, $300, $300 shipping in the United States, pretty much. I would recommend it. If you don't really mind going about 20 miles an hour, it's a good bike. It drives well and everything. So I'm pleased with this. So yeah, let's do a startup. It starts very easily. Pretty much first pull, when it's hot every time. It starts very easily. Very easy to start. Runs very good. Very well. So yeah, this is my brand new 2020. It was manufactured in April of 2020. The engine, at least on the sticker. Blade 49R.